Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project 24 volt 12 volt battery voltage level indicator, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Here, we demonstrate the project 24 volt 12 volt battery voltage level indicator. By connecting this battery voltage level indicator, you can check the voltage level at any time. The basic components used here are LM3914IC, BC547 NPN transistor, BC557 PNP transistor, 1N4007 rectifier diode, 10 5mm LEDs and a Zener diode. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.